Hello, sir. This is Karan. I am from third year IoT Cybersecurity, including blockchain technology at SNS College of Engineering. I am here to an interview about you and your experience. I would like to ask some questions. Let me start my first question. The question is, can you tell me about your background and your experience?
Sure, Karan. First of all, thank you for this opportunity, that you're taking an interview about me. It's kind of an award to us. Uh, sure. Let me start with my background. So I came from an agricultural family from a rural area. So by like four members, my mom, my dad, and my younger sister. So I completed my engineering. I did 4 years in mechanical field. When I came out from the college, I had four offers, but I haven't joined in any companies. That was my first mistake. I should have joined in any of the companies easily, but I moved to Chennai to search for a different job. I got placed in a company. It is called as NTT Data. I joined as an associate there. So when I joined there, it was very new to me. The difference, like when we go from a rural area to a metro city, and that to into an IT field. So initially, I struggled a lot. Uh, you know, uh, the cultures and for the weather there, for the people there, it's kind of different. So once it like I struggled a lot there initially, and then I cope up with the standard procedures and the whatever the things there. So I worked there for around 2 years as an associate. I just learned the basic knowledge of the IT industries, like how it works and how the process that they are following. So after that, I just feel I need to be in different position. So it's been 2 years. I need to move to a different organization. So I got into a different company. So from an associate, I got hired as an SME, which is called as subject matter expert. So where the person will be having an in-depth knowledge about the process that we're doing. So I guess in the second company worked for about 4 years. Within the 4 years, I got promoted as a manager, like from an assistant manager to a manager. In that company, I learned a lot about people, how to manage time, how to work on a project, the deliverables and all. Um, so like it was going good for 4 years, and all of a sudden I had a thought, like how long I gonna be like doing the job under someone. So I need to be my own boss. So I prepared a lot of things, and then I had a plan with a bunch of my friends. I started a company. So with all my savings and all. After 4 years, I guess on the fifth year, I started this company, and so it's going good. But initially, as usual, it is very hard to cope up with the industry standards since we are an startup company. We find many. We just felt many negatives from the other peoples, and we had many negative comments from others as well. But I didn't stop it in the middle. So I just throw away the negatives and started with a positive attitude, whatever the things that it gave me. With my knowledge, with my help of my friends, I started, and it's going good. Um, yeah, it's been around 3 years now. It's quite different to drive a company rather working in a company under a different person. Yeah, that's all, Karan. That's all about the company and my background.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience. Let me go to my next question.
Sure.
How do you define success for your successful life as a CEO?
Success. So it can be put in a different ways. You might have different knowledge about success or a different definition about success. I do have a different definition about success. So in my point of view, success is something that, for example, we will have different goals like short-term goal and long-term goal. So for me, achieving their goals in their life is kind of a success for me. Even, for example, what we could say. So we will have a target of 50 We just need to achieve it within this particular date. So if we achieved it in that particular date, that is a success. So we will have a lot of success. We should be feeling gratitude about the success that we have. So we should not be feel ashamed. This is what we have achieved. So don't do like that. So just be grateful or gratitude about the success that you have. Even if you achieve a small thing, like you can celebrate it in a big way, so that you will be moved toward, like, you will be on the ladder, you will be going upwards toward the larger success. So it works in that way, Karan. So it's very simple. You're achieving your goals and you're achieving your targets, it could be at the success, like where you feel satisfied by yourself. That's called as success in my way. That's all.
Okay, sir. That is good to hear to your success mantra. Let me go to my final question, sir.
Sure, Karan, please go ahead.
Uh, how do you stay informed about your industry trends and developments?
I guess not my company. Like all the companies will be has to be in that path, like in the right path. For example, if they don't, like, if they have started a company and they are not following the trends, so they cannot survive in this life. So they need to cope, like they need to adapt to the all the situations which is happening outside the world. So for example, we will be having different seminars, weekly seminars, monthly seminars. We will be having meetings. We will be having testimonials now. So we will be attending. We will be sending the staffs, and myself we will be attending the seminars all over the world. So that we can gather knowledge from all the companies, and then implement here. And also, we will be sharing our strategies to other companies. So we will be sharing the strategies that we are following, so that it will be better for the companies, for the growth, and the employees as well. Um, and We will be having some hurdles each and every time. So if there is any new things came up, so we will be having a hurdles and how to implement that. Like interacting with the employees is the main thing that we can that we can implement in the company. I myself will not have the knowledge of everything, so we can get information from the other people as well. So I have my employees who have knowledge, like more knowledge about the thing more than myself. So I'll be very happy to get a suggestion from them. So yeah, so we should be keep updated in all the ways. It works in that way, Karan. That's all.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, to sharing your precious time, sir.
Thank you, Karan. Have a good one.